Hello everyone. Today we are doing this fiery look, kind of like sunset. But anyway, I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath palette for this, and it's the Mothership IV. I'm going to start with this gold standard shade, and look at that swipe. It is incredibly pigment and super smooth, and it also smells like vanilla and cocoa butter because that's what it has in it. And I just love how creamy these shadows are. I have no words for them. They're really smooth. Next, I'll be taking the hedonistic shade. It looks red in the pan, but from other angles it looks more orange. So just so you know, it's kind of orange slash red. It's not exactly red. Different angles, different reflections, but all very beautiful. So I'm just going to blend that in my outer corner and kind of drag it over my crease almost to the inner corner. The next shade that I'm going to pick up is called Blue Blood, which is this dark red kind of burgundy, and I'm just going to place that right in my outer corner just to give it a little bit more dimension and just darkening it up. And I'm just going to blend out with a really tiny blending brush. Next, I'm going to take the shade Inferno, and I'm just going to connect my crease color to my brow. Just making sure that there's a smooth transition and it's all nicely blended. Next, I'm going to take Sterling and Sinful. I'm just going to mix them together to give myself a highlight in the inner corner. I don't really want a silver blinding highlight or like a creamish gold, so I kind of mix them together to get the in-between. And I just grabbed a small blending brush to blend out the edges. And I'm going to go with my all-time good old eyeliner from Maybelline in the shade Black is Black. I'm going to give myself a line with a small wing, small-ish wing. For lashes, I'm going with Iconic from House of Lashes. Next, picking up Divine Mink, I'm going to put that in my lower lash line and blend it out with a small blending brush. And that completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one.